Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is for what is coming next or in your love and work for Capricorns, friends. So, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Also, make sure to subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. I hope you are doing well and you are safe and taking all the necessary precautions. Don't let your guard down. Yes, friends, I'm warning, I'm cautioning, I'm reminding you not to make your guards down. We are still in good times, you know what I mean. All right, friends, don't worry. We are all together in this. We are never alone, and Divine is with us. So let's see what's happening. Let's see. Let's see your current energy, Capricorns. Okay, the sun. Wow, very nice. But it came out in reverse, Capricorn. So you are feeling positive as well as not so positive, which is funny because I think Capricorns, you are okay with life and with the way things are going, but you want more. You expect more from life. You want things to be steamy. You want things to be passionate. You want more success. You want more achievement. You want more fame, money. It is like you are there, but you are not there. It is that feeling of, I want more. I want more. How is Capricorn feeling currently? What's happening? Queen of Cups. Yeah, see? Your emotions are a little high, Capricorns. I feel your emotions are a little high. Also, Capricorns, you're feeling a little emotional about your life, your career, your money, your love life. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person also. So, yeah, maybe some of you are worried when you will get married or pregnant. You are expecting a baby, so you are worried, what will happen, how, why, all those. A lot of things are here in Capricorn's mind. Look at that. Ace of Pentacles, a new start is coming for you. Yes, a new start, especially in your career. Finances is there and you are ready. Maybe you are doubting yourself that will you be able to pull this off. Yes, you can, because you are destined and you have worked for it, Capricorns. Believe in yourself, trust in yourself. I also feel you are waiting for some work opportunity. It is coming soon, friends. It is coming within the next 1 month. It will be there, or you will create it by your desires. So yes, how is Capricorn feeling? Ooh, King of Pentacles. Yeah, you're feeling very powerful, yet at the same time you are feeling a little emotional, because nobody can help it. The current world energy is such that we are all feeling a little emotional, isn't it? So yeah, stability is coming your way. Don't lose hope. And you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Let's see how your person is feeling. Okay. Oh my God. Not so many cards. I think your card dropped out, but let's just reshuffle. How is Capricorn's person feeling? Okay, see, yeah. Surrender. Okay, I can release my need to control. So that's why you are a little happy sad, because your person is trying to, surrender, like they are letting go of control in this relationship. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is in no contact, or this is somebody you were married, or you were, this is your twin flame. It could be your new lover also, but right, whoever this person is, they are right now letting go of control, or letting go of this, expectations from this connection. They are surrendering, like they have given up, like your person is like, see, I give up. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know what to do currently, so I am taking my step back. Your person has stepped back a little. Envy, yeah. Oh my God. I am the same as everybody but with different challenges. I do feel your person is feeling slightly envious or jealous because you are doing well financially, or you are getting famous, or you are starting something new. Also, I feel like, they feel a little jealous because other people have a lot of attention, other sex also have a lot of attention on you. You get a lot of attention, so they are a little jealous. Who? They have the hots for you, definitely. That's why jealousy is like, see, I love you, I want you all for myself, right? But I don't know how to deal with it. Okay, emotions are wonderful. We should talk with our emotions, sit and have a conversation with our emotions. Let's see how your person is feeling. Let's see what they are envious about. Capricorn, how their person, what will happen in their love life, how their person is feeling. Okay, I got a card that almost dropped out. The World. Yeah, they are taking a step back. Maybe you both are in different cities, world, different countries. So they are taking, yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel your person is like tired emotionally. They have been through a lot or this connection. So they are taking like a time apart. I also feel like... your person like your person needs to shift out of their comfort zone, Capricorn. Nine of Swords. Yeah, your person is really, they have a lot of anxiety, and it has got nothing to do with you, Capricorns. I feel like your person has anxiety, depression, or they could be, it's not like they are insecure. That's the right word. They are insecure. They fear losing you. And fear is not a good energy to be in. It breaks relationships. It breaks everything it touches. It's not a great energy. So they are feeling very restless. They are feeling like what to do. What to do? How can they have you? They want to control, but it doesn't work. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, they are very, you are busy. You are trying to balance out this connection, Capricorns. I also feel that in the future, there is a chance that things will try to work or balance out in this connection. And Five of Pentacles. But your person has real trust issues. You need to sit and talk and build trust in this connection. Then only things will get better. What will happen in the future of this connections? Two of Wands, maturity. Yeah, you can expect both of you to be more stable, more mature, and spending more time with each other. The Seven of Swords. Yeah, your person is a little funny. They sometimes, they are sometimes very needy. Sometimes they are like, I want you, I can't live without you. At other times they are like, oh my God, you are with someone else. Who are you? Who are you with? So they fear losing you. They just don't want to lose you, Capricorns. This person is scared, and you may feel like this person plays mind games. Actually, they are very emotional, just that. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, things will work out in this connection. You both will be behaving more stable in the future, and things will work out. Yes, success will definitely happen in this connection, so don't worry. It is best for now to take some step back and think about this relationship. Think about what is happening here, and try to find ways to build and help each other. That's very necessary. Let's see what else will happen for Capricorns. Breathe. Yeah, take a time out to breathe. If you are in no contact, in separation, or if you are married but things are getting too heated up, it's time to relax. It's okay to take some time out. This person might be doing that. You also should, Capricorns, because this will help heal the connection. Poised, number 48. Yeah, this person loves you a lot. They're really, they love you like crazy. Crazy, achy breaky heart. They have this aching breaky heart for you. Achy breaky heart. This is a very old song. You should go out and listen to that. My achy breaky heart. It's a beautiful song. I wish they would make songs like that even today. Okay, I miss old songs. Yeah. So this person misses you. They keep an eye on your social media, exchanging gifts. Yeah, soon some messages are coming in the next 7 days, in the next 2 months. Yeah, a lot of balance in this connection, exchange of love, proposals, meetings, balance coming back. Yes, finally you guys are like coming back together with a bang. Good going. So let's see what you need to focus on, Capricorns. I think you are focused on your coin, your money, community. Yeah, you need to focus on building your relationships, your career. Also, some of you could be from pride, you could be dealing with the same sex relationship, so that's why they are a little envious, because you know you have a lot of social group, a lot of gang of your friends, you know they are a little jealous. Keep try to assure them that it's okay, you know you're not mingling with everybody. I do, this person, I also feel, Capricorns, you are trying to build your community, your friendships, your social status. You're doing well. Yes, you're on the right path. Success is coming. Not just that, fame is also coming. Action, yes, take action. Your actions will be rewarded. It's time to take action. You have the potential. Yes, you are the potential one. You have the destiny to be very famous, Capricorns, and maybe this connection is making you feel confused, but I think you know you have the potential, and this connection also has a potential for you. Success, yes, a lot of success is coming, so don't worry. Let's see some advice for our wonderful Capricorns. Ooh, can you see that? Soulmate relationship. Now you want to focus on your work still, Capricorns? I think you should not, rather. New romance with the spiritual basis is here for you now. So yeah, I do feel soulmate friendships, relationships are coming for you, someone you will work with. So maybe this person is a little jealous of people you work with or how famous you are. So they are a little, they fear losing you. So I do feel things will get better, and this is a soulmate connection for you. And know that you deserve to receive good in all the ways. Worthiness. So yeah, you're worthy of great things in life, Capricorns. Let's see. Okay, this wanna come out. Yeah, you guys are destined to get married. Or marriage talks about marriage, future commitment, moving in together, all that will happen. So get going, and maybe this person is married or you are married, so they are a little insecure, or you are coming out of a marriage, so but marriage is important for you. Yes, it is. And if you are both single, you will end up marrying that person for sure. So that's it for now, Capricorns. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.